Hi, welcome back to another furniture project. My name is Andy with Sandbanks Designs, and in today's video, I'll be giving these two curio cabinets a complete transformation. So stick around until the end for the before and after photos, as well as the profit margins. So let's get started. I begin with removing all of the hardware. Next, a quick cleaning with my TSP degreaser, and then a scuff sand with 120 grit sandpaper. The Zinnser bin Shellac primer has always been my go-to primer, especially with pieces that I'm painting white. You notice that I'm using a foam roller, as I've tried using the sprayer in the past and it just gets too sticky and too messy. I apply 2 coats of the primer with sanding in between each coat. For this project, I'm using Benjamin Moore Scuff X in a simply white color. The great thing with Scuff X is that it actually dries in 2 hours. This is a lot faster than what I typically use, which is the Benjamin Moore Advanced Paint. For this project, the customer did provide the hardware. I did have to cut the screws to fit. Now let's take a look at the before and after. In terms of the numbers, the price for refinishing these two pieces was $740, minus about $80 for materials. It took about 10 hours to complete, which netted me a profit of $660, or about $66 per hour. Thanks again for viewing this transformation. I look forward to seeing you on the next project. Please remember to like and subscribe, and please leave your comments below.